Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining in my masterclass episode. I am Christian Ice, an entrepreneur passionate about helping schools, educators, and learners adapt to the rapid changes in our digital world. Today, we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming education in ways we once only imagined. From personalized learning to smarter school systems, AI is no longer a distant future concept. It is here, influencing how teachers teach and how students learn every day. Today's episode, we want to understand how artificial intelligence, or AI, helps in education based on a review of artificial intelligence in education from 2010 to 2020. So, allow me to introduce to you the story of a student named Luis. Every time he studies math, he struggles with fraction. No matter how hard he tries, the lesson feels like a puzzle missing a piece. One day, his teacher introduces a new app powered by artificial intelligence. The app observes his mistakes, discovers which part confuses him, and gives him exactly the type of exercises he needs. Luis begins improving faster than ever. The purpose of this presentation is to explore how AI can help students like Louise learn smarter and feel more confident in school. The main point is that AI is already changing classrooms. Understanding how it works will help us use it wisely. So, as a result, students and teachers can both learn faster, make fewer mistakes, and enjoy education more. Now, what is AI in education? Let us think about Luis and his math struggles. The app guiding him did not simply give answers. It observes patterns in how he learned, suggested what he needed next, and supported him patiently. That is what AI does. It learns how you learn. So, the main point of the story is AI in education means using technology that thinks and learns like a human assistant to help every student improve in their own way, so that each learner receives guidance that fits their strengths and weaknesses, which makes learning less stressful and more successful. Now we talk about how AI works in education with the three layers according to the research. In the layer number one, we talk about the development layer. It's about building the brain of AI. Picture a group of engineers building the app Louise used. They teach the computer to recognize right and wrong answers, match questions to topics, and recommend lessons. This is the development layer shaping the AI's brain before it ever reaches a classroom. To further understand this layer, we have to know that AI must be trained to understand data so that it can help students correctly. As a benefit of that, when AI is well developed, learners receive accurate support that truly helps them to improve. So, in the second layer, we talk about the application layer, where students and teachers interact with AI. Luis opens the app again the next day. It praises his improvement, give feedback, adjust the difficulty, and even explain solutions clearly. This is the application layer where AI and students work together. In this layer, the knowledge turns into the personal guidance through feedback, reasoning, and adaptive learning. As a result, students stay motivated because lessons meet them at their skill level, not above or below. Now, in the last layer, we talk about the integration layer, which means making learning come alive. After school, Luis logs into the virtual world where he explores space as an astronaut. His emotions matter too. When he appears frustrated, the systems offers hints. The integration layer brings learning into lifelike experiences. Here's the main point. This layer turns knowledge into personal guidance through feedback, reasoning, and adaptive learning. The learning becomes more exciting and memorable, helping knowledge to stick longer. So, at this point, based on the research, here are the four trends in AI for education. So, we discuss it one by one. The first one is about the smart boards record progress automatically. It is about the Internet of Things or IoT. The classrooms full of smart devices detecting progress and needs instantly. The next trend is the swarm intelligence. It is like a group work is improved as AI learns how students collaborate. The students working together like ant colonies or flocks of birds with AI coordinating collaboration and creativity. Another trend from this research is about the deep learning. Machines learning from data to understanding handwriting, voices, languages, and emotions more accurately. For example, handwriting recognition improves digital notebook. Now, the scientists study how the brain learn best and apply those insights in the tools. The fourth trend would be the neuroscience plus the artificial intelligence. It is about designing lessons based on how the human brain naturally learn best. Memory patterns, focus cycles, and even reward system. The main point is this. These trends are shaping a smarter and more connected future for learning. As a benefit of these future trends in AI for education, the young learners or even the teachers receive better tools that recognize how their brains grow and change. Although for the future looks exciting, the researchers identified three major concerns. The first one is bias and fairness. If the AI only learns from certain types of students, it may misunderstand or misjudge others. The second challenge is teacher roles shift. Teachers must evolve from content deliverers into learning designers, coaches, and emotional supporters. The third one is the ethics and privacy. Again, who holds the data? How is it protected? How do we ensure transparency? As a result of that, AI must be built with responsibility. Technology should increase access, not create new inequalities. So, the main point of our study here is we must use AI carefully, with teachers leading the way. As a benefit of that, the students may stay safe, supported, and never replaced. Again, students and teachers can both learn faster, make fewer mistakes, and enjoy education more. In the story of Luis, Luis discovered that AI can be a super smart helper, not a replacement for teachers. It learns what each student needs and makes learning fun. Still, it must be used wisely. Use AI as a partner in learning, explore it, but think critically about how it guides you. Students grow more confident as a benefit of that, more curious, and prepared for the future. Now, I'm going to ask you a question. Here is my question. How do you want AI to help you learn better in the future? The decade from 2010 to 2020 laid the foundation. The next decade belongs to us. Let us build classroom where AI is not replacement for teachers, but a partner. Where every students receive personalized support where technology protects and amplifies the best part of learning.